Hey guys, I'm a South African artist. Follow my journey as I travel to various locations with the intention of producing an original painting. Keep watching to see the process from start to finish. How's it guys? We're at the Grendel Wine Farm, just outside Cape Town. We're going to do a little vlog here because they are going to come to the gallery and we're going to have a wine tasting there. So we're just going to do a little tour around the wine farm, and there's a beautiful view of Table Mountain. We're probably going to paint that, but we might just find something else that catches our eye. Look at this amazing cannon. It must have been submerged. There's actually an old like badge of some sort. I'd love to find out more about this cannon. See the beautiful entrance here, flags. It's going to be good.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, here we are in the main area, the wine tasting section in the restaurant, and you can see we're literally 10 kilometers from town. And look at this amazing view. Quite cool with the Table Mountain with the shadows from the clouds on there. It's going to look sick in a painting. So we're walking up to the top of the farm and we're going to see what the view is like from there. But I think we've got some good reference photos already of Table Mountain. Hardy does! Okay, we're at the top of the Grendel Wine Farm now. Absolutely amazing farm. I can't believe it's here. You can literally see the whole of the peninsula. On a clear day, it is pretty clear today, but on a really clear day you'd be able to see Cape Point down there. You can see Smithswinkel Mountain. That's Simonstown Mountain, the big one right at the end, and then coming across, that's Muizenberg Mountain, where all the surfing is going on to the foot of that mountain there. Coming across, that's the mast. You can't see the mast in the cloud at the top there, and then Table Mountain. Look how beautiful it is today with the cloud shadow on the mountain. Lion's Head, Signal Hill. At the base of Signal Hill there'll be the waterfront, and sort of down there, that's where my gallery is, down there. And you can see going across the bay to, that's Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was kept imprisoned, and you can see some container ships waiting to get permission to get into the harbor there. And that is Table View and Blowberg. And look at this wine farm, it's amazing. We're going to make we already got some really good reference photos, and we're going to make a painting including Table Mountain, and I think it's a perfect day, so it's going to be cool. We'll see what happens and make a video of the painting process. And we're going to do first Thursday on the 1st of December 2022. So if you're around, you must come in. They're going to do a wine tasting, so they're going to bring their beautiful wines and people are going to come and check the art out. It's the first Thursday. It happens every Thursday of the month, every month.